Good evening, students. In the earlier class, we discussed about random events and random variables, in which we started the definition of random events, then sure event, impossible event, exclusive event, equal set, union of events, difference of events, intersection of events. Then there are two theorems. That theorem is, let an is non-decreasing sequence, then probability of a equal to limit n tends to infinity p of an. That is one non-increasing sequence. That another theorem we discussed about the non-decreasing sequence of events, p of a equal to limit n tends to infinity p of a, and that probability of then for which you have to write down this some few books, textbook, M. Fish, Probability Theory and Mathematical Statistics, John Wiley and Sons, New York, 1963. That is a prescribed textbook for MS students. Then another some reference books, S.C. Gupta, V.K. Kapoor, Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics, Sultan Chand and Co., New Delhi. Then V.K. Rohatgi, An Introduction to Probability Theory and Mathematical Statistics, 3rd edition, 1985. Then R.B. Harsh, Real Analysis and Probability, Academic Press, New York. Then K.K. Chand, A Course in Probability, Academic Press, New York, 1974. R. Durrett, Probability Theory and Example, 2nd edition. S.A. Rensick, A Probability Path, B.R. Butt, Modern Probability Theory. And another book, myself also published one book, N. John Brito, 2018, Introductory Statistics, Maya 1984, kannad@gmail.com. You can get that notes regarding that. See, today we are going for the first unit, second subdivision of the system of axioms of the, there is probability. The system of axioms, you know that in that UG class, definition of the axioms. The definition of the axiom is that probability should be always lies between 0 to 1 and the total probability should be 1. Then individual events should satisfy the summation, that is the third axiom. So you recall the three axioms. In this, based on these axioms, you studied in that UG for 3 events case, probability of A suffix k1 union of A k2 union of A k3, that is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of B intersection C minus probability of A intersection A plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. But the only difference is in the suffix you are using the K1, this is A. K2 that means B, that's all. So similarly you studied in that theorem probability for the 2 events, P of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection. In this case also another extension of this theorem is that extension for the n events. This is also you studied in UG classes. Let a1 comma a2 equal to dot an, where n is greater than 3. That we studied n equal to 2, n equal to 3. This is the extension of the addition theorem for the n events. For the arbitrary random events, then probability of summation of k ranges from 1 to n, ak that is equal to k equal to 1 to n, p of ak minus k1 comma k2 equal to range from 1 to n, but condition is k1 is always less than k2. Then probability of a k1 suffix 1 intersection a k2 plus summation of, you are extending for 3 cases, that is k1 equal to k2 equal to k3, ranges from 1 to n, 3 cases. Then you have to goes on. Then plus or minus will be alternatively, that is minus 1 plus or plus 1. Then probability of A in intersection A2, that is equal to A. This is the extension of the n events, addition theorem for extension of n events. How we are going to prove that? That is, we are going to prove for the n equal to 2 case, then n equal to r case, then n equal to r plus 1, r plus 1 case. This is called the mathematical induction. By using this mathematical induction, we prove for this extension of the n events. Then another important theorem we are going to discuss about is the probability of the supplementary events.